Hey everyone, I'm Dallas Tung with Keller Williams Realty. I'm here in Lake Las Vegas at 1 Hilltop Crest Road in the Peaks community. So this house behind me is going on sale for 1.2, 2.5 million, 3-bedroom, 3.5 bath at just under 3,500 square foot. So in a minute, we'll take a look inside, but I just want to talk about this community here. It's got about a little bit over 80 homes in this community, but back here in this section, you only have about 10 to 12 homes that's really gonna drive past here. Now this house is sitting on a corner lot. All right, so before we go inside, just want to mention the 3-car garage. So both are going to be connected, and we'll see that when we go inside. Single car garage and then a 2-car garage here. And then you have this little tiny courtyard with the gate. So as we keep walking in towards the house, high ceilings, you have the dining area to the right, and then you have a wet bar on the left. All right, I'm in the family room area. And behind me, of course, you can see the TV and then built-in cabinets, high ceiling with the fan. Fan's great for high ceilings because it circulates the air around the room. As we come into the kitchen area, of course, we have the large countertop island, stainless steel GE appliances. And as we wrap around this way, house is facing west in the backside, so you can see the beautiful view of the valley. All right, as we come upstairs, we're gonna turn right into this loft area. You have this nice railing that they upgraded from the builder. And then if you look through the window, you will see the strip. As we go through this way, you have 1 bedroom, full bath this way, big window. And then we keep going through, you have the laundry room on the right and then another bedroom on the left. And again, that's the front of the house. And we're gonna keep going all the way through into the master bedroom. All right, as we enter the master bedroom, as you can see, there's a beautiful view, vaulted ceilings in here. And as you turn right when you enter, there's a nice study area, office area. Let's go out and take a look at that balcony. All right, so we're going out into this private balcony area from the master bedroom. As you can see the whole city. I'm in the master bathroom, nice size closet behind me, dual vanity here, tub, shower, another vanity right here. Okay, now let's go check out the backyard with the pool. As we come outside to the backyard, behind me we have the beautiful upgraded pocket doors, and of course this pool with water features and everything. All right, so thank you for watching this tour. If you would like to know more about this home, reach out to me, Dallas Tung at kwvegas.com or 702-686-1668.